trip. First trip of the lagoon for me this year. Mid-January right now. Not sure when you'll see this, but my first trip out here looking for my first bass. Caught one little surf perch so far this year down in San Diego. So we're looking for some bass, some crappie. And it's cold. It's like 40 degrees. It's been real windy up here. Shouldn't be too bad today. So I'll see you guys on the water. Nice crappie. All right, first crappie of the day. The school out here in 40-foot water, so let's see if we can keep on here. All right. Number 2, fatty. Righty. Number 2, beautiful crappie. Loving that spoon. Nice healthy guy. Ooh, crappie. 3. Alrighty, another guy. All right, I gotta check in. It's been pretty wide open on that crappie bite. 4 in a row real quick. There's tons of them out here. But yeah, lots of bait too. And just catch them a little bit deeper. We're gonna take a few of these guys home. They're really good. Fry these suckers up. Really, really tasty. So probably keep at it for a little bit. Keep on these crappie maybe, and then maybe go shallow and try to bass fish since I've caught a few fish. But all right, let's keep going. All right, a little update. I went hunting for bass. Been throwing like the little tube Ned rig, drop shot, A-rig a little bit. I saw a couple shallow actually on the graph, and that's funny. A lot of them you'll see them, and then they'll go down into like whatever little remaining grasses on the bottom, just suck to the bottom. That's a lot of these bass like just stuck in the mud on the bottom, even if it's shallow, and you'll see them pop up every so often. But I'm gonna go check a couple deep spots. And then maybe go back to some crappie to see the very end, see if we can catch a couple before we leave. Nice chilly, but no wind day. So I got the little Kitech on now, which is with the little ball head. Just unfortunately broke off my Ned rig, but all right, let's try to find some more. Get my first bass of the year. Still looking for the first bass of the year, so. Little dude. Oh, nice one. Another guy. All right, another little one, and then a pretty nice one actually. It might have been my biggest, but there's just tons of them. But yeah, that's fun. Gotta take off here in a second, but try for a couple more real quick. Later, dude. Yeah, there's a slab. Nice one. Yeah. Another good one. All right. Later. Whew, that's fun. It's funny because they just didn't want that spoon after a while, so I'm like, all right, let me throw the little swim bait down there and just sink it all the way down the bottom and just reel it real slow through the little school. Bam, the big guys are hitting it. It's crazy. Lots of good schools of crappie moving around everywhere. But yeah, all right, I guess I was gonna leave, but I'm gonna keep going at it for now. Another crop. Just trying to catch a bass. They just keep getting bigger and bigger. Woo. Wow. All right, we're heading out of here. Wow, that was a wide open crappie bite. They were just stacked, multiple schools. That cold water just got them deep. It's that wintertime crappie. Been on those crappie. Can't get my first bass of the year, but I don't even know what I get, 8 crappie or something like that. Or more, who knows, but that's fun. Nice cloudy day. Crappie are biting a couple different baits there. Tried for the bass, but we're just gonna keep at the crappie, I guess, for now until we can find some bass. All right, well, thanks for watching, guys. See you out there.